year 2025 brings with it a renewed spotlight on one of the most legendary jet fighters of the 20th century, the North American F-86 Sabre. Once considered the cutting edge of aviation technology, this jet is now reimagined with a modern touch, blending its vintage legacy with contemporary upgrades. While the F-86 first flew in the late 1940s, the 2025 edition has been meticulously restored, upgraded, and engineered to prove that history and innovation can exist in harmony. And today, on Car Review, we dive deep into the story, the technology, and the renewed role of the iconic Sabre. The F-86 Sabre was more than just an aircraft. It symbolized the dawn of the jet age. Famous for its dogfights during the Korean War, it earned a reputation for agility, speed, and dominance in the skies. Pilots admired its swept-wing design, which at the time was revolutionary, allowing it to break past the barriers of early jet performance. Now, in 2025, enthusiasts and engineers have reintroduced the Sabre, not as a simple museum piece, but as a flying legend reborn with modern avionics, upgraded engines, and advanced flight systems at its heart. The 2025 F-86 Sabre still retains the classic silhouette that captured imaginations decades ago. The swept-back wings, the bubble canopy, and the clean fuselage lines are all there, reminding us of its golden age heritage. But take a closer look, and you notice carbon composite materials replacing older aluminum structures, radar paint for stealth capabilities, and cockpit layouts equipped with glass displays and digital systems rivaling modern fourth-generation fighters. This isn't just a relic brought back to life, it's a transformation into a jet fit for today's skies. Performance-wise, the modern Sabre is an absolute marvel. The original J-47 turbojet has been replaced with a next-generation engine, delivering significantly higher thrust, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. What once pushed the jet past 685 miles per hour now allows it to achieve speeds approaching Mach 1.3. This isn't supersonic dominance in the way of F-22s or F-35s, but it's a powerful statement. A classic Warbird updated with modern power can still hold its own. Its climb rate has improved dramatically, and the aircraft can now handle high-G maneuvers with precision thanks to fly-by-wire controls integrated into the old airframe. Weapon systems have also evolved. While the 1950s Sabre carried .50 caliber machine guns, today's model has optional hardpoints for precision-guided munitions and advanced air-to-air missiles. Engineers have managed to design a modular weapon system, meaning the aircraft can be configured for training, demonstrations, or even light combat roles. It's astonishing to see how a jet designed over 70 years ago can still adapt to the needs of a modern era. The cockpit is another area where the leap forward is immediately visible. Gone are the analog dials and gauges, replaced by digital multifunction displays, advanced radar, and even helmet-mounted sights. Pilots flying the 2025 Sabre describe the experience as surreal, a blend of old-school jet performance with the digital assistance of modern avionics. There's still the raw sensation of a fighter that demands skill, but now it's guided by technology that makes flight safer and more responsive. One of the most fascinating aspects of this revival is its role in aviation culture. The Sabre isn't just a war machine, it has become a symbol of engineering, preservation, and innovation. Collectors, air forces, and private organizations have embraced the 2025 Sabre for air show's heritage flights and advanced pilot training. Some nations have even considered it for secondary defense roles, seeing its affordability and versatility as a major asset compared to cutting-edge jets that cost hundreds of millions per unit. The historical importance of the F-86 can't be overstated. In the skies over Korea, it faced off against the Soviet MiG-15 in battles that defined jet combat tactics for generations to come. The Sabre's victories weren't just about speed or firepower, they were about agility, maneuverability, and pilot skill. In 2025, that same spirit continues. Flying one is less about pressing buttons and more about feeling the aircraft respond directly to your inputs, a sensation many pilots describe as both exhilarating and humbling. The restoration and modernization process also highlight how far aviation technology has come. To retrofit the Sabre, engineers had to carefully preserve its aerodynamic profile while integrating lightweight materials, digital systems, and safety enhancements. Each airframe underwent structural reinforcement, ensuring it could withstand the higher stress levels imposed by new engines and modern flight dynamics. The result is a jet that feels both timeless and futuristic, a living bridge between past and present. For aviation fans, seeing the 2025 F-86 Sabre take to the skies is an unforgettable experience. The roar of its engine, the sleek silver shape slicing through the clouds, and the blend of nostalgia with technological rebirth make it one of the most captivating aircraft to watch. At air shows, crowds erupt with excitement as it performs tight turns, barrel rolls, and high-speed passes, showcasing that its spirit of flight is very much alive. Of course, the Sabre isn't without its limitations. It's not designed to compete with stealth fighters or advanced drones dominating today's military scene. But that isn't the point. Its purpose lies in keeping history alive, inspiring future generations of aviators, and reminding us of an era when fighter jets were raw, daring, and thrilling machines. The 2025 upgrades simply ensure that this reminder stays relevant, powerful, and safe in today's world. As we reflect on the journey of the F-86 Sabre, it's hard not to admire the dedication of those who brought it back. Aviation is about pushing boundaries, and the Sabre pushed them in the 1950s just as it does today, in a new form. Its story proves that legends don't fade. They evolve, adapt, and continue to inspire. Here on Car Review, we celebrate not just cars, but machines of all kinds that embody innovation, performance, and passion. The 2025 F-86 Sabre stands as a testament to engineering brilliance, a reminder of history's lessons, and a glimpse into how the past can still fly high in the future. Would you like me to make this script slightly more cinematic, with dramatic storytelling to feel like a documentary narration, or keep it in this factual review style?